Hi, lovely viewers. I'm here on your own channel, somycrafty, with an elegant piece of earring. Today we are making Jhumkee style, which is Indian word Jhumkee, beaded Jhumka earring we are making today. You can call it beaded cap earrings. So first of all, we have to pick 8 light green pearls in 4 size with the 8 seed bead light green seed beads 11 we have made a double knot. After tying the knot, we have to start it properly. Today's project we have started. Now passing through one seed bead, we have added 5 seed bead. We will add in this round 5 seed bead each time. Total 8 times we will add 5 seed beads, passing through previous rounds seed bead 11. We will add 5 seed beads 11, light green. We are using very nice different shades of green color in this earrings making, and we are using different sizes of beads. This is a very nice combination earring of different beads. We are using pearls, we are using seed beads, and as well as we are using crystal beads, 2 sizes in crystal beads, green color. I hope you would like the color combinations and very nice combination of colors and very unique project. You can say it is very unique, and I hope you guys like those who love to make beaded handmade jewelry. They will definitely try today's project. So carefully watch the all steps. I am telling you step by step, and this is very cute and different project. I hope you guys must learn it and make for yourself Jhumkee style earrings, cap, beaded cap earrings. We have started second round with adding 4 crystal beads. Now we have to pull the thread after beading 8 times. These after adding these pearls, these sorry crystal beads, we have to pull the thread tightly to make it a shape of round shape. Now we are adding one seed bead 11 each time. We have to add it total 8 times between all crystal beads 4 Now after pulling the thread, we have started next step. We have started next round. In this round we will add again as we added in beginning in one round. We are adding 5 seed beads 11 each time, and total 8 times. All these steps will be done 8 times in this beads in this earrings making. So we have to add each time 5 seed beads passing through crystal bead 4 we are adding 5 seed beads 8 times. So in this way we will complete this round, and you have to watch carefully to note all the steps of making this unique and stylish, very different, very stylish earrings. I hope you guys like it. We are adding seed beads, 5 seed beads each time. Now we have to step up to third bead, seed bead of previous round. We have to enter to third bead, passing we pass through third bead. Now we are adding here 3 mm green color pearls. In this round, we have started the next round. We have to add each time 1 pearl 3 mm. Total 8 times we will add it, and we will pass through the middle bead of previous rounds 5 beads. Middle bead, it is third bead. Now we will pass through each time third bead of previous round seed beads, third seed bead, and in this way after adding we have to pull the thread. After adding beads, completing the round each time, we have to pull the thread. So you can look which we have made. Now we will start next step. We will add each time 1 seed bead 11 between 3 mm pearls which we added in the past round, in the previous round. Pull the thread to make it firm, and now we have to add again, as we added in other rounds, we added 5 times seed beads 11 green seed bead 11. We have to add it 8 times. So after adding 8 times, we have started next step. Next step is to add 2 mm crystal beads, green color crystal beads 2 mm. Each time one crystal bead, and we will add 8 times. In this way we have to add it passing through the middle bead, the third bead of previous round seed beads. So we will add it and complete this round with adding 8 times 2 mm green crystal beads, round crystal beads. Now pulling the thread. After pulling the thread, next step is started. We are adding 1 seed bead 11 each time between 2 mm crystal beads. Passing through these crystal beads, we are adding seed bead 11. We will add it 8 times. Now pull the thread, and you can look on your screens, you can see on your screens how elegant this beaded earring is going on. I really enjoyed doing this project, making this earring, and my lovely friends who love beading, who love jewelry making, they would definitely like today's project and they would like to make it. Now we have started the next round. We have to add one seed bead, 1 pearl 3 mm and 1 seed bead 11, skipping 1 crystal 2 mm bead, and we will add to next seed bead crystal bead it. In this way we have to add it 4 times. 4 times we will add 1 seed bead, 1 pearl 3 mm and 1 seed bead. 4 times these beads will be added, skipping each time 1 2 mm crystal. Now we have added it, you can see, and now 4 beads pearls are added. Now we have to add in middle of these 4 beads of these pearls, we have add 1 4 mm light green pearl with 1 2 mm crystal bead on top of this. pearl we have added it. Now we are starting next step of this earrings making. We have added one crystal 2 mm, one seed bead 11 and one crystal 2 mm, passing through the previous crystal bead 2 mm. Now again we will add 2 crystal beads 2 mm. Now again adding 2 crystal beads 2 mm, and at the end of this round we will add 1 crystal 2 mm green color, 2 mm crystal bead we are adding. Now our floral shape beaded part is ready on upper part of our Jhumkee earring. Now we have to add 1 pearl 3 mm each time between this floral shape beaded part of upper part, which is upper part of our earring. We are adding between 2 mm crystal beads 1 pearl 3 mm each time. Total 6 times we will add it. Total 6 3 mm green pearls will be added in this floral shape beaded part. This floral shape beaded part is the upper part of our cap earrings. So now it is completed and we will move ahead. We will move to next step. From here we are adding 3 seed beads 11 between, passing through 3 mm pearl. Each time passing through 3 mm pearl we will add 3 seed beads 11, and in this round adding these beads we complete it. And now we have to add 1 4 mm green, dark green color crystal bead with 1 seed bead 11. Skipping 1 seed bead 11, we have to add this crystal bead in the middle of our floral shape beaded part of our earrings, upper beaded part. We have added it, and now in the middle of this floral shape we added it. Now next step is to add here earring wire. We are adding it with 1 seed bead we are adding ear wire with 1 crystal bead 2 mm, 1 seed bead, 1 ear wire and 1 seed bead and 1 crystal bead 2 mm, and passing through previous round's seed bead we have added it. Now we have to reinforce these beads and earring wire. We will pass through all these beads our thread. Now we have to make some finishing knots on the back side of our earrings. Back side we will make some finishing knots, and making knots, after making 2 or 3 knots we will trim the extra thread, and in this way we will complete our earrings making, which is very unique, which is very different, and I hope if you watch full video clearly, carefully, so it is not difficult for you to make it. And I will say don't miss it, just try it. And now these are the pics and videos of final looks of our today's project. Jhumkee style, Indian Jhumkee, Jhumkee, you can call it with different names are there. but in our east in Asia and in subcontinent and Indian areas, these are called jhumkees and jhumka style earrings. You can call it beaded cap earrings. Very unique and very different project I gave you today. Its tutorial, it's I can say it is very unique. So I love it. I love it to wear Jhumkee style earrings. So I made it with different colors. You can see I make it in these pics and videos. You are looking another color with blue shades. These are aqua and blue shades color of blue colors beads. I made it also in blue colors, and you can make with your choice color. Now we will say bye. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. And lovely viewers, don't forget to subscribe, like and share somycrafty channel. It's your own channel. Bye bye.